Hello everyone, this is CP from Business 115 Business Applications, and for this week's demonstration I am going to show how to do the sort and filter function on our assignment for this week. So in this week's assignment we are asked to sort the air and rail items according to material cost, with the cheapest items at the top. So when we go to our assignment, now we see all kinds of shipping types like truck, optional, air, rail. And in order to show only the air and road and rail, we're going to click the column name, the shipping type, sort and filter, and filter. Now from the drop-down list, we will be able to select only the air and rail items. And here now it's showing that the most expensive item is on top, but we want the cheapest one on top. So that's when we go to sort and filter, custom sort, and here we want the column to be sorted is the material cost, and we want it from the smallest to the largest. And bam, there we go. Now we got the shipping type of air and rail, starting from the cheapest one, which costs nothing, to the most expensive item here. I really like the project assignment this week. I hope this video helps a little bit, and I hope you have a good weekend. Goodbye.